So the girls are just a little bit upset with me because they all got dehorned today, all but Winnie. I can't feel anything on her. And Athena and Aurora, theirs were very small, but I went ahead and did them. And then Misty over there is really itching hers, and she's a talker because she thinks she's a little bit hurting, but as you can see, they look pretty good. I mean, I got everybody's pretty well. They were pretty shocked though. Yes. And I just stuck some green in with them, so I'm hoping that they will at least nibble on that. If they end up dumping it, it's not like it's going to be a huge waste. But I think I've got possible buyers for both them girls, but I'm not for sure for Cassidy and Clarissa. And they're going to be itching those pretty darn good. But they had to get done because I don't want horns on anybody. And she'll get finished done. And I'm trying to collect rainwater because I'm watering the girls every time the bucket gets half full off the drainage off of our roof up here. I was filling it up on that side because it was really coming off. If I had another bucket, I could probably do that with, but just trying to get their water filled back up. I figured I would kind of go around and show everybody. Everybody, I guess. I definitely don't want to walk down in that. Got some major water from melting going on. And it's just flowing. It's like a creek. Flowing pretty fast. Right down, and then it's going right down to there. And I smell like burnt hair. There's my boys. The three. Ariel's been acting like a buck the last 2 days. Someone asked me, do your goats like playing in the snow? Well, sometimes they do. Sometimes they don't because they don't like getting wet, but they do sometimes. See, the horses are in there eating. Not really paying any attention. The girls are drinking a heck of a lot more water because they're milking. But that's kind of normal. I'm having to fill that 16 gallons up about every other day. Excuse me, instead of about every few days. Oh, now you want to say hello, Diamond? Hi, Captain. I heard you say hello. Yeah, I did. I heard you, boy. You guys need some hay. Yeah, you do. These two boys in here are probably sleeping. No, they're just standing there. You guys need some hay too? Probably? Yeah? I don't know what time it is. It's probably around 3 o'clock or so. Yeah, I'd say about 3. Man, look at that is some serious water sitting between here. Figured I'd come up here. My mouth should have ran already. A lot of broken tree limbs. A lot of stuff cracked yesterday. I don't know how much stuff cracked yesterday when I was milking up here. But I mean, you'll be able to see if anything had fallen, because we've had this pretty much cleaned up. Like, there's a small little limb right there. That ain't nothing to worry about, but it just shows you that the amount of snow we had on these trees were quite heavy. And then we are waiting on, there's a bunch of tree limbs I see. Looks like the neighbor cleaned them up. Tree limbs that were, that were laying here. I was curious to see. As far as I know, my husband's still sleeping. He said he was extremely tired today, so I told him, I said, just sleep. Everybody was still eating when I got done milking, and that was just at a little after 10, because I woke up so late. There's deer prints running. Well, maybe the mail hasn't came. It don't look like it. We'd be able to see the tracks, but I don't see them. It's pretty mucky. I just hope Amazon can get back here. They should be able to, you would think. I got the rest of my stuff ordered that I needed for my office. And then, like, all I'll ever really need is just my HP printer ink shipped, because it's cheaper to buy it from Amazon than it is to get it from Walmart. It's like almost $30 cheaper. That's like a huge difference. So I told my husband, I said, we should just start getting it from there. And I can have it auto shipped. Probably like, I don't know how much I'll actually be using, but definitely, that's quite a few limbs that came off of something. Take you over by the chicken and show you that. There's a limb down. I think it came off that big maple. Like I told my husband, excuse me, none of the animals' enclosures were damaged. None of the animals were hurt or killed. Our house didn't get damaged, our vehicles didn't get damaged, and our barns didn't get damaged, so it was good. We had a good turnout. And boy, we had limbs from a couple of those, a maple tree, and I think it's a oak tree. Those limbs were so heavy, they were touching. They were so far over that they were touching the roof of the house last night when I came in. It was kind of wild looking. Looks like there's a couple limbs up there on the roof. I can see them. Man, she sounds just like Mavis. That's Patsy. She's like a spitting image of her mama. I don't know if that's Athena still crying. I have to go in and check real quick. She was the last one I did. She cried. Little Cecil, I think that's what my husband's calling him, Cecil. I think that's what he said. He didn't hardly even cry at all. Not at all. These girls, man, they cried, screamed. Cried even afterwards. I tried holding them to let them know. Quit itching your head, girl. You're gonna make yourself bleed. Yeah, I can see you're making yourself bleed too. Quit itching your head. Yeah, you're the one crying, aren't you? Yeah. You are, aren't you? Athena. What is it, honey? Huh? Are you still upset? Are you still upset? I was messing with touching their udders, you know, like down there. She squats. She's a little jumpy. She's jumpy. She's jumpy. I didn't get a chance to get a hold of her yet. Come here. It's okay. Come on. Yes. You're okay, sweetie. It's all right, Mama. Yes, it is. It's okay, honey. It's all right, Athena. You have to get it. I know. You have to get it done. I'm sorry. Yeah, she moved on me, so I had to set it again, so it looks a lot larger. That's why it looks like that. But look at Carissa. She's like, I'm eating. Yeah, I know. I'm sorry. Of course, you got Cecil here. I think that's what my husband named him, Cecil. All the names that were suggested, my husband already thought of, but he knows people. Don't really care for the people that names were suggested. Yeah, I know. It's okay, baby. You can see some of them are eating the grain. Yeah, she's crying too still a little bit. See, those two girls don't even not really bothering them anymore. Same with her, Aurora. She's not really bothered. It's just these two. They'll be fine. All babies are fine after you dehorn them. I think she's going to be a crier too. But we'll see. Thank you everybody for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Till next time, God bless.